BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the July 2026 box. It is $24.95 per month. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So the BeautyFIX Essential Kit will include Dr. Loretta Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 40. It's a 1.7 ounce, retails for $55. New Elastin New Protect Leave-In Primer, 150 millimeters. It retails for $32. Amylorate Exfoliating Body Mitt retails for $16. Ocean Mitt Volume Shampoo is 30 millimeters, retails for $11. Airborne CC Cream Color Corrector, 5 millimeters, retails for $9. Avani Hyaluron Active B3 Renewal Firming Cream, 7 millimeter, retails for $6. La Roche-Posay Antheos UV Control Sunscreen SPF 50, 5 millimeters, retails for $4. Let me know if this is the box you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.